Alright guys, so yesterday we finished up the body work, we got everything taken care of, and it freaking rained. It's just my luck. It's how things go, but it's alright. So since it rained, we're gonna wash this truck, get it nice and clean, get rid of all that dirt, and just start fresh today. So let's go do it. Alright guys, so that went well. Truck's nice and clean. Now we gotta go to AutoZone and go get us some Bondo because I totally screwed it up yesterday. So we're gonna get a bunch just in case because I tend to screw things up. So let's go. Got him. Alright guys, so we made it back. Now it's time to get started on this Bondo. What I need to do is go and scratch off all the old stuff. And then my goal for right now is just to get all the Bondo done. And then we'll look at just like fine tuning everything and getting it ready for the Plastidip. So let's go do it. Gotta remember to put on my respirator. What do y'all think? A little bit better. Alright guys, so I got the Bondo. It's right here. It's pretty cheap. It was like 20 bucks, no big deal. And I figured out what I did wrong last time. Last time what I did is I didn't stir this stuff and it came out with like liquid and it was all wrong and I didn't need the little cream hardener in here and it just didn't come out right. So we're gonna try this again and hopefully this time I don't screw it up. And we're gonna do that panel right there and we're just gonna do little batches and we'll see how it goes. So let's do it. Now we got this, you take it off. And it's got this little cream hardener stuff. So what we need to do is knead this. Okay, so we're just gonna do this and just kind of squeeze, 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 and just try to get it nice and mixed up. So I'm gonna do this for a little bit, and then we'll do the next step. Now guys, it says right on the can, don't use cardboard, but it's all I got, so I'm gonna use it, and this is gonna be my stirring stick. I'm gonna stir this up and then pour it onto here. So when we pop this out, ugh. So yeah, so we'll mix this up real quick and then we'll plop it on there and figure it out. Whoa, I guess I don't have to mix it. It's already pretty solid. I guess the other one was just bad. Okay, now we're just gonna put the hardener and we're gonna do just a little bit and hope it's good. That should be good. Hopefully. We'll see when we get this mixed up. Okay, I'm gonna apply this before it hardens. Dude, it's already hard. Damn it. Screwed it up again, guys. Well, guys, I just suck at Bondo. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's not setting properly and it's hardening way too fast. Either I'm using too much hardener or it could be just that the sun is beating directly down on it and that's just cooking it. So I'm gonna go get some shade and try to mix it maybe indoors and see if that helps. I'm gonna have to resend that and redo it again. So let's try for attempt number 3. Yeah. Okay guys, so we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna mix it up on this board. It's inside the shade and we'll see if we can do it better. It's supposed to be like a little golf ball and maybe just like a little bit of this. So I'm gonna try just a very little bit of the hardener and see if that does it, because I feel like it's just because it was sitting in the sun. So let's give it a shot. Okay, let's go place this really fast. Okay, so I think I finally got one on there that's somewhat decent. It's not terrible, and I'll be able to stand that back. So I think I found the perfect ratio, and I think it's definitely the heat causing the problem. So yeah, guys, I think that this is actually going to solve the problem. So I'm going to keep doing this and just sand and repeat and do this over and over and over again. And hopefully not go insane or get completely sunburned. Wish me luck. Well guys, I'm finally making some progress, but I still got a long way to go. So I'm gonna hurry up and finish bondoing, and then we're gonna go and sand everything down and go from there. So hopefully pretty soon we'll be getting this done and I can get this thing ready for paint. Hopefully tomorrow we'll actually be able to spray the Plastidip. Today, it's all prep. Let's take care of it. So guys, I think I did pretty good. Take a look. So if you take a look here, it's nice and smooth. The whole thing is butter. Can't even tell there was a dent. So now I'm just gonna spray it. All these things look good. I'm just gonna get some primer on there and go from there. Well guys, we're almost there. I gotta finish this side. I gotta do the hood. And I gotta do a few little touch-ups on the other side and we should be ready. This thing's a pain in the ass, but I need to eat here pretty quick. So I'm gonna finish this up real fast and we'll move on to the next. Well, I'd say that was a success. Even if it was a bad one, it still counts. Guys, I am like exhausted. That just killed me. So what you guys didn't see was me being out there sweating my ass off. Like, it's hot, it's humid here in Texas, South Texas, whatever. And dude, it's ridiculous. So I'm just now getting inside, getting a chance to get a drink, and I gotta go back outside and let the dogs out. So that's what I'm gonna go do. Let's go let these puppies out. Y'all ready to go outside? Let's go. Come on, boys. You got it, Tony. Come on. Ugh. Got bugs flying on me. So guys, while I'm out here letting these guys go outside, that's an exhausting thing to do. And I know this body work is a little bit excessive considering I'm just doing Plastidip. I could have just washed the car and sprayed it and it would have been fine. But I'm a little bit too much of a perfectionist. And even now, like, there's stuff that you don't see on camera where there is like little nicks, and I don't know if you're like me, but you see that one little spot and it just drives you nuts. Dang, I got bugs crawling all up on me. I don't know what it is about seeing spots, but when I see spots and I see like little things, and so I start fixing one thing and then I find another thing and then another thing, and the next thing you know, it takes me 3, 4, 5, it never gets done. So I needed to basically tell myself, hey, it's good enough. So that's what I did. It's good enough. We're gonna let that paint dry. Tomorrow we're gonna go back at it, lightly sand it just to get it nice and smooth and even. We're gonna wash the car. Then after the water dries off, hopefully we'll go out there and spray that dip. So yeah, so hopefully tomorrow we'll get started on this and we'll be able to finish this truck out finally. Get that beautiful Plastidip on there, and I hope it comes out good. I hope so, guys. Like that smash button, or smash, you know what I mean. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing, because man, I got builds for days, and we'll keep them coming. We'll see y'all in the next one.